Let's talk about some individual names. However, Dave and Buster, or Dave and Busted, as you just called it a few moments ago, is one of them. Although the stock, I admit, I thought the stock price was wrong when we just showed it a few minutes ago in the pre-market because it was higher after taking quite a tumble earlier. The company coming in with actually a smaller loss than it was estimated, but revenue missing estimates, and the company's comparable store sales down 2.6% last quarter, if you compare it actually with 2019. So if you compare it with pre-pandemic, they're still not back to those levels. But what's going on here, Saz?
Well, I'll close this circle, Julie, just using your saying from before. I really like that one. I continue to want to use it moving forward. I will say this. One, I have to knock Dave & Buster's first for calling out. So their same-store sales declined 6.8% in the most recent quarter versus 2019. That's how they compared it. But they essentially blamed 14 stores or 14 locations had vaccine mandates. I don't like that. They shouldn't be necessarily highlighting that. It's still business operations. It's your fault if you can't go out there and find workers. I have to knock them. I'm sorry, Julie.
Let me just correct what I said real quick, because I said the decline was 2.6%. That's if you exclude those stores. So it was still a decline of 2.6%.
Still a decline. I just, from an analytical standpoint, I don't like how they're pinning the blame on people here that may or may not want to get the vaccine. Those are the results. Deal with them. Now, why have you seen this reversal? One, the earnings call has been going on since 8:30. One. Two, their same-store sales for the first 8 weeks of the first quarter, they are up 5.4%, and it looks to be driven by people just walking in and going to Dave & Buster's. Sales from those customers up 9.1%. What a red flag, though, continues to be the event business. This is where Dave & Buster's has really minted money pre-pandemic. The event business for Dave & Buster's, those sales down 42%, and that is a major concern moving forward.
Yeah, I don't know. Envisioning my kid's birthday party at a Dave & Buster's, actually pre-pandemic. They're a Chuck E. Cheese.
I'll add this one.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
I feel you. I will add this. I think Dave & Buster's is taking on a lot of competition from Topgolf. Topgolf is opening up more and more locations at a very rapid clip. They are, of course, owned by Callaway Golf. It's turning into a very big business that is competing directly with Dave & Buster's dominance. These are two unique assets in the marketplace, but still, Topgolf is coming on very strong. Love that place. It's great.
Are there kids' birthday parties at Topgolf?
Yeah. Grab a golf club, hit the ball far, grab some fruit juice, party on. I'm going to have to look into that. I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. I'm trying to imagine my children having a birthday party at Topgolf also and having trouble with that concept. But let's move on.